It is possible to make $1,000 every single day from trading, and in this video, I'm going to show you how. Recently, you may have found if you're in the UK, USA, Europe, France, wherever, you've probably been locked out of your cryptocurrency exchange. If I show you the exchange here, this is the BloFin cryptocurrency exchange, and as you can see, I've got some trades open. So what we're going to do is start from the top. How you can make money using BloFin, how you can place deposits on BloFin. Now, BloFin has no KYC. It has very generous deposit and withdrawal limits with no KYC. They don't custody your assets. Your assets are custodied on a very safe platform called Fireblocks, which is an industry standard. They have public proof of reserves and a doxed founder, which is very important. Now, BloFin is a newer cryptocurrency exchange, but I'd describe it as a Bybit clone. Now, everything will be time-stamped down below, so if you already know how to make an account, how to make a deposit, you don't need to know that part of the video. So you may as well skip it and go to the part about making money, which will be towards the end. But for those of you that are complete beginners and are new to crypto, you need to understand some basic things. If somebody reaches out to you on the internet with an investment idea, it's a scam. If somebody asks for your crypto, it's a scam. Don't give them your crypto. And if somebody says, can I have your login for one of your crypto wallets or anything like that, it's a scam. Don't give them your money. So now we've cleared up some basics that it's very easy to get scammed out of your money in this industry, and that's one of the things where it's affected kind of the name of the industry over the years through to a lack of education. If you do want to get some better cryptocurrency education, I would highly recommend signing up to the Crypto Saving Expert Academy, which will teach you everything you need to know about everything in crypto. Literally everything you ever need to know is on this website. It's £20 a month if you use code BLACK80. It's in the video description down there for the link. To quickly explain how to sign up, you go to the link in today's video description, and using code BLACK80, you go onto this tab here, you click on monthly, and you go on the Community Plus plan. It gives you an 80% discount on the Community Plus plan. So if you are a complete noob, honestly, this is where you should start, not at the trading. But starting from the start, in today's video description, if you scroll down, there'll be several links. One of them will be for BloFin. You'll see this BloFin link right here. It says BloFin Crypto Exchange. You click on this link. When you click on this link, it will bring up this tab here. From there, all you need to start is an email address and a password. That's it. Now, if you sign up on the link in today's video description and you're quick about it, until the start of January, you'll get VIP 1 on your account, which basically means you get a fee discount and some extra perks for being VIP 1. You also get access to this trading competition here, which will give you various different rewards, such as $20 if you deposit $100 and then make one single trade, or if you keep trading and trading and trading, you can trade all the way up to these levels. I know $100 million of volume sounds like a lot. It's really not. My personal volume every month is in the hundreds of millions of dollars, which means for me, every month I get a free Rolex. I get a free Rolex from BloFin. This is regardless of how profitable you are. You don't even need to be profitable. All you need to do is place trades, generate volume, you'll get free stuff. So once you've gone through that page and you've made your email and password, and it will allow you to then log into your account. Once you've on your account, here is one that I made earlier. So this account I set up the other day with about $12,000. In this account, you can see that we've got a balance now of $21,000, and that's due to the trades that I've been taking. I'll explain how I took those trades, how I decided to make those decisions on those trades slightly later on in today's video. So make sure you've slapped a like on this video. Very important that you do that, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel and watch to the end. If you want to find out how to make that much money, like it's not even been that long. How's it been? Since the, how many days is that? 24 hours. It's been about 24 hours, and we're up. 6 and a bit grand on that one, 1 and a bit grand on this one. If you want to know how to make those trades, watch to the end of today's video. But until then, first things first, making a deposit. It's very easy to do that. Very, very easy. There's a button up here. It says deposit. Press on that deposit button. Then you go through and you select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. Now you might be saying, well, I don't have any crypto. Well, if you don't have any crypto, go to this website here. You'll find it linked in today's video description. It's an application called Swissborg, and you can download it on your phone. If you scroll down on the website here, it shows you that Swissborg is Europe's leading, trusted, secure, reliable crypto app. Now, this is the exchange that I've been using for years now to cash out and buy in millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency, and I've never had an issue with it. The fees on it are less than Coinbase's fees. The fees on it are less than Bybit's fees. It is ultimately the cheapest place to buy crypto, and if you're in the UK or wherever, you can use this application to buy and sell cryptocurrency. The link for that, again, you'll find in today's video description, and if you use that link, I believe you get $10, or no, you know what it is? It's a scratch-off ticket, so you get a random scratch-off ticket that's worth up to $100. That's what Swissborg Swissborg does. It's not just $10 for everybody. It's a random scratch-off ticket. So if you sign up on that link for Swissborg in today's video description, you'll get an account on Swissborg, and that'll allow you to buy and sell crypto for the cheapest rates. You may find that when you buy crypto through Coinbase, you pay an absolute fortune. Don't fall into the trap of paying a fortune for buying and selling crypto. Just use Swissborg. You'll pay less in fees and you'll get better execution. You'll also notice that when you buy crypto off Coinbase, it says a price on the screen and you go through, and then you end up paying an extra 2 or 3% more than what the price on the screen says. And you'll be like, why am I doing this? Well, it's because Coinbase is robbing you. Swissborg doesn't do that. It's called best execution. So even though the fee is the same, you actually get a better price, which gives you an overall cheaper crypto. But assuming that you already have some crypto here, say that we've got some USDT. So we click on USDT here. Then we select network. Now, you will find if you buy off Swissborg, you have to use the ERC20 network. On a lot of exchanges, it allows you to choose. On Swissborg, it's fixed to ERC20. I like to use ERC20 because I believe that the Ethereum standard is the best standard. And from there, it gives you a deposit wallet. From there, you can then deposit into this wallet. And if you wait 5 or 10 minutes, your funds will come through. And once your funds have processed, well, then we're ready to play. So at this point, we're ready to play. Now, this is the part of the video where you go, how do I place a trade? What do all these buttons mean? Well, we've got several buttons to talk about. So removing me from the screen for a second so I can kind of explain all this stuff going on here. You've got market order, limit order, and trigger order. A trigger order is a conditional order, which basically, if a set of terms is met, then it does whatever it says. You've also got market order and limit order, and those are the two that you should stick to. You also have cross or isolated. So let's start with this. Cross margin means to leverage the entire value of your account. Isolated margin means it will only use the amount of margin that you put in a trade. What is margin? Margin is when you have money in your account. For example, in this account here, I've got $664,000. But if I click on here, I don't have 600 that much margin. You can see on these trades that I've got open on this account here, I know it's a bit dirty as the phone screen, but there's $390,000 of margin with an unrealized P&L of $213,000, and somehow that adds up to the great number of $490,000. That's because I've got an available balance in addition to that, because there is some profit built up within those trades in that particular account. However, margin is basically the amount of money that you are using in your trade. So if you take, if I use here isolated margin, oh, we're on cross actually, I can't actually switch because I'm already in trades. But if we go to, I mean I can actually, let's try it. Confirm, there we go. All right, so we're going isolated margin trade here. Say that we want to increase the size of our trade. We can see here that our margin is $7,000 right now, and timesing that by 15, we end up with a 28 Ethereum trade here, which is now $6,000 in a profit. Basically, you take your margin price, you times it by the amount of leverage that you've taken, and then it gives you the overall trade sizing of 28 Ethereum, which is somewhere near $100,000. But if we're then to go up to here and we go, okay, we want to take a trade, all you use is this sliding bar here, and that you can choose how much of the trade you want to take. Now, I would suggest for everybody, I know I'm using generally more leverage than this, but if you don't want to use so much leverage, for me, I like to use cross, because cross, I get to utilize the whole value of my account. It also means that on a cross trade here, you can see the various different options on cross where you can go up to 150x leverage if you're an absolute degenerate, but generally you can go 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x. I can't use those on this account because I am too over leveraged on this account. But as you can see, we've got these trades open here, and they're currently, what we're using, 15x leverage. So in short, cross takes the overall balance in your trading account and times it by, well, I mean, to be fair, you can use 100x leverage on cross with a tiny trade, and it won't leverage your whole account 100x. That's not how cross works. It's quite a difficult thing to explain, to be fair, is cross leverage. But cross leverage, basically, it reduces. I like it because it's like an elastic band is how I consider cross leverage. So being an experienced trader, being somebody that's traded for years, I can use my account like an elastic band, and I can expand it and contract it whenever I need to in order to kind of maximize my gains. When I want to take on a lot of leverage, I can leverage the profit in the trade, which is the key and important thing. So if I'm in a $100 trade and I'm in a $10 profit, I can take that $10 profit and I can include that in the balance, and I can again increase the leverage. However, for those of you that are completely new, stick to isolated because the maths on it is so much easier. And what that'll allow you to do is, if you have $100 in account and you use 3x leverage and you go all the way to the top of the isolated. I mean, I'll take a fresh trade here to kind of show you exactly what you should be doing. You go on Bitcoin here, and we want to go on an isolated trade here. So we click on isolated, and then we go on, okay, we'll take a 10x long position on Bitcoin right now, for no other reason than just the sake of this tutorial. Now we can see that I've got some margin balance in my account, so I've got currently an available balance here of $4,000. Now that allows me on a 10x leverage trade to buy $40,000 worth of Bitcoin. One Bitcoin is $100,000, so basically it allows me to buy 0.4 Bitcoin. We don't want to do that. Instead, we want to buy about 0.1 Bitcoin, and that basically is using 4x leverage. And if I press the button here, it shows me what we're doing. So we're buying 0.1 Bitcoin on 4x leverage, or 10x leverage, sorry. But actually, in reality, I'm not using 10x leverage because I'm not using the whole value of the account, but I am taking a 10x long position here, and you can see the margin, so the total amount of money that I'm risking in this trade here is $1,000. You can also see here the trade is now in $5 worth of profit, whatever it is. I don't know if it'll stay there. I've not done any analysis leading up to this. I'm just showing you how you can take a trade. So from that perspective, we can see that we've got a trade here. It's got $1,000 in margin. It's on 10x leverage, and that gives us a 0.1 Bitcoin position, which is worth $10,000. We then profit from the moving of $10,000, not from $1,000. So it allows us to make more money because we're allowed to basically borrow against the assets. Now, how does that work? Well, we've got a funding fee here. So every 8 hours, I'm getting taxed 0.1% of the value of the trade because the funding rate is quite high right now, because taking Bitcoin long positions is the most popular option on Bitcoin right now. So that means the tax is higher, and that's basically the way that you should think about it. But again, you're paying a small fee there to borrow a huge amount of money, which is really nice, and it allows you to profit off the gains. If Bitcoin moves 10% in the next hour, then it means that we're going to profit $1,000 and double our money. Then to show you how to close a trade, we can go here. It's very simple. You can either go to this tab here, and if I remove myself from the screen again by going like this, then you can see that if I go here, we can choose the amount of money we want to take profit out of this trade with. So if I want to take half of the money out of the trade, I can put it to 50% here, and then I just press on close trade, and that's it. The trade is now closed 50% of it. If I want to close the remaining 50% of that trade, again, I go along here and I click on I click on market order and then close. So that gives us, now we're out of this trade. We're not in the Bitcoin trade anymore. We have taken $10 profit on that trade. But how did I get these trades in yesterday's stream? Now, if you don't know me, I stream on YouTube every single day, and you can go and watch me on YouTube by subscribing to this channel and dropping a like on this video. But if you want to make gains like that, the best place to watch is my stream. But there are some tools that I use in order to generate, I mean, me personally, I generate between $20,000 and $50,000 a day in profit at the moment on average. It's been a very good period of time. We're up millions of dollars in a very short period of time. But again, I'm somebody that's been doing this for years. I'm entering the market with a lot of money. I know what I'm doing, and I'm quite comfortable with the risks that I'm taking. Something you should be aware of is when you are trading on an exchange like BloFin, you can lose money. It's not all upside. So please be aware that it's not all upside. You can lose money. Nothing in today's video is financial advice, and you are responsible for your own decisions. If you decide to press a button, accept the consequences of that. I've had to eat so many of those consequences in my life. Not everything has gone to plan. I know that it can come across that way sometimes. Not everything has gone to plan. But anyway, the next part of today's tutorial is how do we place a trade like that? Well, I use an application here, and it's called Stonksy. So if I go over to TradingView right now, and we look at TradingView, you can see on TradingView, this is the Ethereum 5-minute chart. You can see the entry here is $3,623. So from that point onwards, Stonksy took a long position, and it actually closed it here. Now, my entry on my Ethereum trade here, if I go back over to it, is approximately $3,716. And that's because I've been increasing the size of it. But initially, when I entered the trade without bringing up my average entry before I've increased the size of anything, I entered it down here as soon as Stonksy went long here on the 5-minute chart. Now, this is an indicator that is proven to be one of the world's best. It is an insanely accurate indicator, and it gives you all of these trades when you want. I mean, it doesn't give you when you want to take a trade, but if you trade using Stonksy on a 3-minute or 1-minute time frame between 12 o'clock UK time and 6 p.m. UK time, you will likely make quite a lot of money. Stonksi's most accurate time frames are in those periods of time because we end up with very large chunks of volatility, and they allow you to get into and get out of trades very, very, very quickly. You can use Stonksi on all kinds of different time frames. If we go down here onto the 1 minute, this is what I say, we don't quite have enough volatility at this time of day to be trading a 1 minute time frame. But after the US market opens, which is at 2:30 p.m. UK time, you're able to use Stonksi to massively make some huge amounts of money. So this is when the US market opens yesterday. So if we go over to the 3 minute chart on Stonksi and look at when US market opens, which is at 2:30 p.m. yesterday, the US market opens at this time here. The US market open is here, and then if we just measure the profit on this indicator, one profitable trade here of 4% on Ethereum. Then we've got one profitable short position here of 2.5%. And then we've got another one here of approximately 1%. And then we've got another one here of approximately 1.5%. Then we've got a tiny short position here of approximately 0.5%. And then, like, every single one of these trades here, it bangs off. And as the time goes on, you're looking to basically just trade US market open every day. But if you buy this indicator, and you'll find it linked in today's video description, it's called stonksi.io. I use this indicator every single day to make a significant profit. I'd recommend you try it. Try the monthly plan here, combine it with BloFin, and Stonksi is also partnered with BloFin. Here are some of the benefits of using BloFin. The main thing being, look, you've probably not used an exchange in crypto that's like this because you're probably in a nation which doesn't allow you to do so. But if you want the good old days back, the good old BitMEX, Bybit, whatever, no KYC kind of days, this is, from my perspective, the best exchange platform to be using, and you should check it out. You'll find it linked in today's video description. Make an account, make a deposit, try it out. Get your VIP 1 status locked in now, which is completely free. Again, VIP is always free anyway, but in order to attain VIP, normally you've got to trade tens of thousands of dollars. But BloFin have been very kind to give it to everybody for free that signs up on the link in this video description. They've also been very kind to give away, I mean, everybody's eligible for this, so you can all win a MacBook, you can all win an iPhone. All you need to do is get your trading volumes above that barrier, that threshold that they have predefined. If I bring it back up on the screen now, this is the predefined threshold. $1 million of trading volume gets you an AirPods. Again, you might go, well, $1 million, that sounds like a lot of trading volume. It is not a lot of trading volume. It is actually quite small. 5 million, again, if you think back and forth over the span of a month, it's really not a lot of money because you'll be entering and exiting trades all the time. Subscribe, drop a like, join BloFin. You find it linked down there. Get yourself Crypto Saving Expert if you want education, and get yourself Stonksi if you want trading tips, because it's way better than the random guy on some stodgy Telegram group that's going to tell you when to buy and sell, because he's an idiot and generally he's scamming you. So don't give him your money. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you for watching. Drop a like, and I'll make another tutorial with some more depth on the whole trading side of it very, very shortly. But if you want to see me live trading on my streams, I live trade every single day on YouTube. So check that out, subscribe, and have a look at the live streams that I post on here. Have a fantastic day. See you in a bit. Ciao, ciao.